What's up mga boss? Andito tayo ngayon sa Botolan People's Plaza mga boss. Pero bago yan mga boss, baka hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel. Subscribe mo na, Larry Misal TV, at pakipindot na rin ang notification bell para updated po kayo sa panibagong kong mga video mga boss. Shoutout nga pala sa boss na masikan na si Marlon Indalaga mga boss. Shoutout boss. At i-shoutout din natin ang WB Sophia na si Milencio at saka kanilang coach mga boss. Shoutout sa inyo mga boss.
Goes to the goal. Kicks it out. And three! A back-to-back three-pointer for WB in Sevilla. Kicks it out, goes to go in, Sublime, Hello, lead pass, Nobleza. Mike Hill, side seven, using that left. That's that right there. We are down now by 8-0 run by WB in Sevilla, JB. Getting that pick from Dimakali. JB the kid. JC tries his first attempt. JC Maximino. Three! That's what kids have got. And Moncalo catching two. And that ball comes out. One of these two teams will advance to the finals starting tomorrow. And the champion will receive $500,000 pesos. And Moncalo. Plus get to Blesa. Marco Blesa. Marco Blesa. Three! And the green shirt are shooting 75% at this time. Beyond the three-point area, Kim Sugad is second best in this ball game. Is that big pass? Eman, Villarosa, back to Eman at the corner. Here's JB. And by the rest Linda, back to JB. Linda. Kid takes, drives, Kid hands in the air, still with us. PJ Dimakali with a putback. Gives us 6-point lead. Oh, lead pass. And back is in defense for Yabang Culture. Good running by and pass to Linda, not by Dexter. JC. Crossover against the rest of JC. Stays the defense, but he will mess that way up. It's Eman Calo on the attack. Eman kicks it out. Marco Blesa going for a back-to-back. Three straight three-pointer miss by WB and Sevilla. Dexter kicks it out. Kid against Dexter. Kicks out. JB to JC. Kid at the corner. Still can find the bottom of the net. Eman. Sneaky shot will miss. JC, back to JB, back to JC, and JC scores with that lefty. No lesson. And Calo, three! He's now hitting 50%. 2 out of 4 from that green coat heavy nutty, and the lead is ballooned to double digit, 20%. And now US there to Nobleza and Marco Blesa, 5 points in this ball game. Sayaman takes single drive, stand up, and that is a good extra pass to Daniel Flores for his first two-pointer in this ball game. Lorenzo takes the his first attempt. Eman, defensive rebound. Eman Calo reaching for a foul. There will be no whistle. Casey Marcelino to the corner. to Jacob against JC. Is it to CJ? Hand out. JC Dawson. Silado to now. From the Rainbow territory. Sayaman. JB Marcelino. Goes to his screen runner. JC dips to do, and he will be back. And Mancaro. Long to the miss. Eman. To Dexter. Oh, sorry miss. Rebound. To Sayaman. Sayaman tries to wrap that ball around. And Nathaniel Flores ties this ball game on 23. And Mancaro. Johnson. Nakpil. And Carolina with that ball. Here's Sayaman. A steal to Johnson. Tracy Johnson. To Reyes. Here's CJ on his first attack on the Rainbow territory. He will miss. JC, guarded by Mark. Switch from Dexter. Into the switch. Carolino, 17-footer to Strong. Rebound to Flores. Here's Rino. JB. Long rebound goes to Evan Gallo. Evan swings into the corner. To the outside, to the Bledsoe. No, Bledsoe. Three! That's a 5-point lead, 28-23. Sayaman to JB, but JB. Villarosa, extra pass, Marquez, going on, Evan Lewis, battle goes out rebound. Villarosa tries to save the ball and goes to the wrong hand. Sayaman goes to Flores. Flores moves up. You miss. Marquez secures the letter. Villarosa moves up a three and he missed. Carolina to JC, but he will lose that ball. Here's Eman taking. Eman for that reverse. Eman Gallo in double digits. And that will be a foul. Sajani Korean taking the first, missing the second. Also to everyone here at the venue, we would like to inform you that the Yapa Culture Group are available on products po nila. Available po sa ating backstage for Yapa Culture. Kid Sayaman with that play. To the 31-29, Yapa Culture once again coming on or knocking on the door. And General Esto will be found on the shot. Aversa to Patrick Ian Naranjo. Done by Sugat. Ian trapped. Finding Reyes. Reyes using that pass. Forced with the foul. Basketball down for Ryan Reyes. Rebound on BJ DiMacati. Let's take a look at that replay. One is rebuilt for and looks hard with a 3-pointer again from double convenience Zavia. And you see this time, first 3-pointer for JC Dawson. JB. Sayama takes out. Kindon to the corner. Good ball movement by Yapa Culture, and that is a great line by JC Castellino to the wide open and Daniel Flores. Nathaniel Flores, led by Jello. Lino, JC Marcelino, short of that three. JC Diazan gives it to Mark. Nobleza picks, kicks out. Calo to the corner. Diazan tries to create a steal by JC Marcelino. And the Wonder Twins power activated. JC Marcelino to JC Marcelino. Alan Calo. Next time I guess. JC. The Austin. And another steal. JC Marcelino. Starting over Jello Robesto. And the lead has been cut down to 8, 49-41. Quarter three, too strong. And then David Marcelino getting his own miss. Putting that in a speed for that. KB finding JC got into the baseline. And once again, the Wonder Twins deliver the goods for Yapa Culture. 32-46. And Carlos and bringing the silence of WB and Sevilla. JC and the pass Flores for this alley-oop shot. Finally, Nico Del Rosario getting that touch. JC posting up. Linda. Here's the JD Marcelino. Three! And the lead has been cut down to 1. That will be the 10th point in the ballgame for JD Marcelino. Lapel against Flores. Lapel, turnaround shot. He will miss, but there will be a Jared Lapel, Austin Jacob against Del Rosario. There's a switch. Austin Jacobs breaking the defense of Yapa Culture on that drive. 59-54. A 5-point JD Marcelino. Big double. Sayama. Austin Jacobs stealing that ball. Completed by Villa Rosa. Jacob. From the steal by JC Marcelino. Protect. Gates of God. Moving that glass, too strong. Mark Nobleza to Eman. Eman Calo. Call by good hands. Celebration and the Dallas Kitchen. Also giving a big shout out and President Andy Indivino, head of NPR and all, the Alan Calo, three, back to up behind of course, the Black Dolphins name, the Samaras Provincial Office seated 3, headed by 9 seconds to shoot, 9 seconds. JC Marcelino laying down. JC the kid, catch and shoot at the corner. Good. And gets up by West. Secures that letter and defense Makati will sacrifice the foul. PJ Makati, good personal foul.